good morning class. I am Christine Henzeyap and I am your teacher in this subject. So, for today's lesson, we will tackle about prepositions and interjections. So, who has an idea about prepositions? Okay, so what is preposition? Preposition is a function word that connects or combines a noun, pronoun, or phrase to another word in the sentence. So, prepositions are used to show position, location, direction, time, and other relationships between words and phrases in sentences. So, preposition of place, position, and direction show the relationship of place between the nouns or pronouns to the other words in a sentence. So the examples are the word at, around, along, among, across, above, after, against, behind, and below. So, do you understand what is preposition? So, if there is a clarification or a question, just please raise your hands. And I think there's no more question. Let's move to the interjections. So, what is interjections? Can you please give me an idea or a little brief explanation about interjections? So, interjection, it is a word or group of words used to express feelings or to attract attention. So, as a general rule, interjections should be used sparingly, especially in writing, because overuse spoils their effectiveness. So, interjections are primarily used to express strong bursts of emotions or feelings. Okay. So, there are three parts of interjections. These are punctuating interjections, structure of interjections, and the positions of interjections. So, first, we will tackle about punctuating interjections. So for example, this is the most commonly used punctuation for interjection is the exclamation point. So it is used to communicate the intensity of strong emotions such as anger, surprise, or an excitement. Another example is the interjection meant to express uncertainty, confusion, or disbelief requires a question mark. So, it helps to capture the actions or gestures accompanying the emotions, such as a wide open mouth or the rolling eyes. So, second is the structure of interjections. It is a word, phrase, or short clause capturing an emotional burst can function as an interjection. Can be grouped into two based primarily on their linguistic structures. Last is the positions of interjections. So this is the most common position or placement of interjections is at the beginning of the sentence. So these interjections are often followed by an exclamation point or a comma. When interjections are placed at the beginning of the sentence, they either serve as an introductory part of the entire sentence or function independently as a complete sentence separate from the sentence. So I guess if you have a question, just please raise your hand, and if there's no clarification, we will end the session. Thank you for listening and God bless.